In this guide, you'll learn how to understand your Wells Fargo credit card statement. Let's get started. Launch your Wells Fargo app or navigate to the Wells Fargo website, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Select your credit card account, then open your most recent statement. If you receive paper statements, you can also review the printed version. At the top of your statement, you'll find an account summary. This section typically shows your previous balance, payments and credits, purchases, cash advances, fees, interest charges, your new statement balance, and your available credit. Next, look for the payment information section. Here you'll see your minimum payment due, your payment due date, and the statement balance. Paying at least the minimum amount by the due date helps you avoid late payment fees, while paying the full statement balance can help you avoid interest on new purchases depending on your account terms. Continue to the transaction details section. This lists every purchase, payment, refund, fee, and credit posted during the billing cycle. Review each transaction carefully to make sure you recognize all activity and report unauthorized charges as soon as possible. You will find an interest charge or APR section. This expands the annual percentage rates or APRs that apply to purchases, balance transfers, and cash advances, along with any interest charged during the billing period. If you have a promotional APR, your statement may also indicate when the promotional rate expires. Another important section is your reward summary. If your Wells Fargo credit card offers rewards, here you can view the rewards or points you have earned during the statement period, your total rewards balance, and any recent redemptions. Near the end of the statement, you may find important account notices, updates to your card terms, promotional offers, or security information. It's a good idea to read these messages each month so you don't miss any important changes. Finally, compare your statement with your own records or recent transactions in the Wells Fargo app. This helps you verify your spending, monitor your budget, and quickly identify any errors or suspicious activity. And that's it. Understanding your Wells Fargo credit card statement makes it easier to stay on top of your finances, avoid unnecessary fees, and keep your account in good standing. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.